Time has passed and time has come, the hour, moment, the sound of none, a breath between the dusk and dawn, where dreams dissolve yet linger on. Frozen air, trembling sky, a shadow moves, a tear replies. This heart too full, too frail to fight, as silence blooms from fading light. Time to go, time to say goodbye. No words remain, only sighs. She walks her road, I walk mine, two stars apart in the same old sky. I reach but the wind denies, nothing left, nothing but a goodbye. Goodbye. Stop her, I can't hold. The fire turns to ashes cold. It's out of reach, beyond my hands. Love unravels like desert sands. My mouth is mute, my lips are dry, my eyes oceans that can't lie. I stand between the lost and found, where memories make no sound. And time to go, time to say goodbye. Our echoes fade, our wings untie. She walks her path, I lose her side, and whisper softly to the night. I wish I could, but I can't try. There's nothing left, nothing but a goodbye. Must fall, and faded answers none at all. Time, love, fall. Time to go, time to say goodbye. Her name still burns behind my eyes. I watch her face, reply, just a whisper in my mind. Nothing left, nothing but a goodbye.